Looking for the perfect solution to keep your Bluffton, South Carolina home cozy and comfortable? You're in luck. Welcome to Summit Services, HVAC, Repair Electrician, your trusted HVAC and electrician service provider. At Summit Services, HVAC, Repair Electrician, we understand the unique needs of every building. We've got you covered regarding heat pump installation in Bluffton, South Carolina. Our dedicated team of professionals ensures your space stays warm and efficient, no matter the season. With over years of experience in the industry, we pride ourselves on delivering top-notch HVAC services that meet your specific requirements. When you choose Summit Services, HVAC, Repair Electrician, you choose excellence and reliability. Our heat pump installation services are tailored to your unique needs and preferences, ensuring the perfect fit for your home. We know that a comfortable home is a happy home, and we're dedicated to making your space as cozy as possible. At Summit Services, HVAC, Repair Electrician, we provide a wide range of heating solutions designed to keep you warm and comfortable. With Summit Services, HVAC, Repair Electrician, your comfort is our priority. Experience the difference today. Trust the professionals, trust Summit Services, HVAC, Repair Electrician, where excellence meets affordability. Our experts are just a call away. Reach us at 843-836-2653 to discuss your heat pump installation needs. Visit our website at callsummitservices.com/heat-pump/installation to learn more about our services and discover how we can help you achieve the perfect indoor environment. Summit Services, HVAC, Repair Electrician, your partner for quality heat pump installation in Bluffton, South Carolina. Keeping you comfortable, one season at a time.